Today's mathematics masterclass is all about arithmetic progressions. Relax yourself and enjoy the class. What is an arithmetic progression? A sequence 9, 12, 15, 18 has a first term of 9 and a common difference of 3 between the terms. A sequence which the terms either increase or decrease in equal steps is called an arithmetic progression, or AP for short. Now, 9 is the first term, which is A. We use A to denote the first term. And if you want to get the second term, which is 12, you said 12 is equals to 9 plus 3. Then if you want to get the third term, which is 15, 15 will be equals to this second term, which is 12, to be 12 plus 3 again. Then if you want to get the fourth term, which is 18, this will be equal to 15 plus 3. So you can see that there is a constant addition of plus 3 to the first term, A, which is 9. So in AP, when there is a particular sequence who is moving in a particular pattern of addition, that is increasing, moving from the smaller number to the bigger number, or decreasing, like the second one now, we have the first term to be 9. Now the second term here is 7. That means the number decreased from 9 to 7. So there is a common difference of minus 2. So that to get the second term 7, it will be 9 minus 2. And to get the third term 5, it will be 7 minus 2. And to get the last one, which is, to get 3 first, it will be 5 minus 2. And then the last one, which is 1, it will be 3 minus 2. So you can see this 2 is constant in between the terms. So that will now take us to n term of an AP. So the n term of an AP is given that if the AP move in this sequence, it means that the n term is equals to A plus n minus D. Sorry, n minus 1 times D. N minus 1 times D. So the A is the first term. So that's where we now have the first term to be A. And the D is the common difference. D is the common difference, which is the second term minus the first term A. So this is how we get our D, common difference. That's how we get our common difference, D. So it's the second term minus the first term, or the third term minus the second term. So by arrangement, if the first term is A, the second term will be A plus D. The third term will be A plus 2D. The fourth term will be A plus 3D. The fifth term will be A plus 4D. So this is how we generate our arithmetic progression. So what you should learn or understand first in this class is you should know the first number that comes in a sequence of an AP is being referred to as first term, and it is denoted with A. The second thing is that the common difference is given as second term minus the first term, or third term minus the second term, or fourth term minus the third term, or fifth term minus the fourth term, in that order. So the last thing you should know is the formula, the nth term formula, which we are going to use to do some examples in this video. So the nth term of an AP is given as A plus n minus 1 times D. N minus 1 in bracket times D. So this is the formula we are going to use to solve problem under n term of an AP or an arithmetic progression. Example 1. Example 1. Given the arithmetic progression 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, find its eighth term, ninth term, and the nth term. So to find the eighth term, remember we said that nth term is given as a plus open bracket n minus 1 times d. So if we go into our formula, we know that our a now from the question is 9. Our n is 8. We are looking for 8th term. It's 8. Then our common difference, d, is going to be the second term here is 12 minus the first term, which is 9. And that will give us 3. This is how to calculate the second term. I mean the common difference. Common difference is equals to the second term minus the first term, which is 9, and give us 3. So we'll now go back to our question, the A part, that we are looking for the 8th term. So we'll now write it as n raised to, or we can use any letter of our choice. You can denote your 8th term as T8. The T8 now will be equal to A plus we have 9 plus 8 minus 1 times 3. So T8 now will be equal to 9 plus 8 minus 1 will give us 7 times 3. So T8 will be equal to 9 plus 7 times 3 will give us 21. So this will be equals to T8. We now have 9 plus 21 will give us 30. So this is how we arrive at the 8th term. Therefore, the 8th term is 30. The B part, we are going to look for 99. 99th. So we now have T99, which should be equal to, from the question, our first term is still 9 plus open bracket. Our n this time around from the question is 99 minus 1 times the common difference, which is 3. So this will be equal to 9 plus 99 minus 1 will give us 98 times 3. So 98 times 3 will give us 294. So this will be equals to 9 plus 294. 98 times 3 will give us 294. So T99 will be equal to 9 plus 294 will give us 9 plus 294. This will be equals to 303. 303. Therefore, the 99 term is equals to 303. So let's consider the C part. So we're looking at nth term. So nth term is the formula itself. So we have n or Tn. It will be equals to the first term is A. The first term is A, and there we have 9 plus. Then our n is n itself minus 1 times the common difference of 3. So Tn now will be equal to 9 plus 3 times n will give us 3n, and 3 times minus 1 will give us minus 3. So we are going to collect the like terms so that 9 minus 3 will give us 6 plus 3n. So Tn now will be equals to 3 is common, we'll bring it out. So we are left with 2 plus n. So this is our final answer under this. You can also stop here as your final answer too. So thank you and God bless you.